Today we're unboxing the brand new Honor X7d and comparing it to its predecessor, the X7C, to see if it's worth the upgrade. This is not a full review, so stay tuned for that. And Honor has been consistently delivering value-packed smartphones, and the X7d is their latest attempt to capture the entry-level market. So let's not waste any time, but before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you will never miss our latest tech reviews and updates. Opening up the sleek packaging, we find the Honor X7d sitting on top, along with a clear case, a USB-C charging cable, and the 35-watt adapter. Honor also includes a pre-applied screen protector, which is always appreciated. Pretty standard stuff, but having the charger and case included adds real value. Right out of the box, the Honor X7d feels incredibly lightweight at just 208 grams and 8.24 millimeters thin. The plastic build features a textured finish that resists fingerprints beautifully and provides excellent grip, same design and form factor of the X7C. The major upgrade here is this instant AI button, a one-click access that lets you launch commands and favorite apps. With improved durability up to 2-meter drop resistant and IP65 dust tight and water resistant. Powering it on, we're greeted by a generous 6.77-inch TFT LCD panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, matching the X7C in size and refresh rate. The resolution is 720 by 1610 pixels and HD+, which is identical to its predecessor, so don't expect any resolution upgrades here. The display looks vibrant with decent colors, and that 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling noticeably smooth. Brightness seems adequate for indoor use, though we'll test outdoor visibility thoroughly in the full review. Under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 685, again same chipset as X7C, with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. This is where things get interesting. The X7d 5G version used the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 3, and on paper, these chips offer slightly better performance in the entry-level segment. Running Magic OS 9.0 based on Android 15, the interface feels smooth during setup. The software experience feels slightly more polished than the X7C, but the raw performance seems comparable. It now also supports NFC, which is a great addition for its price point. The phone has a dual camera setup consisting of a 108-megapixel primary lens, f1.75 aperture, paired with a 2-megapixel depth sensor, identical to the X7C model. Daytime photography produced impressive results, delivering sharp images even at 8x digital zoom. While video recording maxes out at 1080p resolution, this proves adequate for everyday filming and sharing on social platforms. The 8-megapixel front camera should handle selfies and video calls just fine. But on these sample shots, it is really overexposed, and my skin tone is too much white. Hopefully Honor can fix this with software update. The massive 6500 mAh battery is slightly larger than the X7C's 6000 mAh capacity, which should translate to excellent all-day battery life, with 35-watt supercharge support, identical to the X7C. One thing I'm excited to try is this dual speakers with 400% volume capability, which is perfect for gaming and watching your favorite series. The Honor X7d 4G is priced at 599 dirhams here in Dubai, which is competitive for the features offered. Now, is it worth upgrading from the X7C? Honestly, if you already own the X7C, this isn't a must-have upgrade. The improvements are incremental, mainly the AI button, AI camera features, and slightly bigger battery. However, if you're buying new or coming from an older device, the X7d is a solid entry-level option with a large display, massive battery, and that valuable fast charging. The 108-megapixel main camera is a great deal as well, and this brings to my recommendation. If you want to try this phone, I will put the link in the description below with the best deal I could find. That's it for our unboxing and first impressions of the Honor X7d 4G. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out!